Friends, myself Archana Upadhyay. I'm going to start chapter 4th of the book First Flight from the Diary of Annie Frank, and this chapter is written by Annie Frank herself. Actually, this chapter from the Diary of Annie Frank is a short extract from the novel called The Diary of a Young Girl, written by Annie Frank. The Diary of a Young Girl was written over the course of the 2 years when its author, a young 13-year-old Jewish girl named Annie Frank, was hiding from the Nazis with her family in a safe house in Amsterdam. At the same time, the Second World War was going on. Annie's father got the diary published to cherish the dream of Annie to become a famous writer someday. The book was first published in 1947, 2 years after Annie's death in a concentration camp, and later became a classic of war literature. In the given extract, the author describes the importance of diary and how it played a role of a good friend in her life. In fact, that diary was the most trusted and significant part of Annie's life. Now, I'm going to start the chapter. Annie Frank says that writing in a diary is really a strange experience for someone like her. Okay, the diary writing was a strange experience for Annie Frank. And she says that it was a strange experience not only because she had never written anything, but she thought that later on nobody, neither she herself nor anyone else, will be interested in reading the diary of 13-year-old schoolgirl. But later she thought it doesn't matter. If she feels like writing, and she need also to get all keeps of things, all kinds of things off her chest. Means she was having so many feelings which she wanted to share with someone, but she was not having a true friend, and that's why she chose to write diary. And then she says, paper has more patience than people. Of course, we can also understand this, that paper has more patience than people. Suppose we want to say something to people, maybe they are not interested, maybe they don't bother about our problems, and that's why Annie decides to write something and whatever she was having in her heart on paper, because whatever she will write on paper, it will be safe. There will be no discussion about her feelings with other people, and whatever she wants she can write. How long she writes, she can. So these were the reasons, that's why she chose paper to tell her innermost feelings. And then it was the day when she was sitting, she was feeling depressed, bothered, she was just energyless, feeling bored, and she was thinking what to do, whether to stay at home or go out. And later she decides to stay at home, and then she decides that she will start writing something, and she thought that let me start writing diary unless I should ever find a real friend, and there is not a bit of difference. And then In next paragraph, Annie wants to tell us that which were the things, which were the reasons which made her to keep a diary in the first place. And the most important reason was she doesn't have a friend. She did not have any friend. That's why she kept a diary in her first place. And now she wants to make the point more clear. Because suppose she says that I am having no friend, nobody will believe at it, because a 13-year-old girl is completely alone. It's not possible. And she tells us this also, of course she is not all alone. She is having loving parents, a 16-year-old sister, and there are about 30 people she could call friends. She is having a family, loving aunties, and a good home also. And she says that everything in this world, whatever I wanted, I was having only one true friend. Okay, there is a difference between friend and true friend. The friend she was having, to whom she called 30 people, to whom I call friend, they were only friends but not true friends. But she was looking for a true friend. That's why she started writing diary. Although she says that she was having good time with her friends, they all were good, but she could not share with them her innermost feelings. Okay, and that's why it was just day to day ordinary talk they used to do. And she was not close to all of them. She wanted a close friend for herself, to whom she could share her innermost feelings, the feelings whatever she is having in her heart. She wanted to share with her true friend, and her diary was her true friend.